Hello. Continuing on the signs video from earlier, this is going to be the cadence calls for the pitcher, the catcher, first baseman, and all other infielders to know. Ideally, we know how to count UCLA that Coach Rich and Coach Drew have shown us as our cadence call. That means pitchers, when you come set in your head, infielders, the catcher, and the pitcher are all saying, when the pitcher comes set, UCLA as a 4-count step. So if we as coaches call a pickoff move to first base, you ready, first base? If we call A11, any number that ends in 1 equals first base. Any number that ends in 2, 22 or 32, equals a pickoff move at second base. And any number that ends in 3, 33, 63, means a pickoff play at third base. The A in A11 refers to the 4th letter in UCLA. So on the 4th letter, or the 4th second, we make the pickoff move to first base. So if the coach calls A11, we know that as a pitcher we come set, UCLA. And we execute the pickoff throw to first base. Now if the pitcher calls U11, we know that we go on the first second, the first letter of UCLA, U. The same for L. If the pitcher calls L33, we know that on the second letter, we're going to make a pickoff throw to third base. So you're going to hear us coaches yell L33. Sorry, that's the third letter. L33. And you make the throw. Now if you're counting in your head at home, L33, UCL. And you make the throw to third base. So let's try C41. The other team doesn't know what's going on. C41, UC. And hopefully your first baseman catches it and we get the out. So to recap, the 4-second count is UCLA. If the coaches do not call anything, you know that on the 4 counts on A, you're to deliver the ball home. But if we make a call on any of the 4 letters, UCLA, in any of the 3 bases, that's when you execute that play. So if you hear nothing from the coach, you come set, UCLA. You begin, and you go home. Now if the runners for the opposing team start to know our system and start to get us timed for base stealing, and they're trying to gain an advantage, we will call U44, which means on the first second, the first letter, 44, you deliver the ball home. So if you hear U44, U. As a pitcher, you're going to deliver the ball instantaneously once you come set. Or if we go L44, you come set, UCL, and you throw the ball. So any number that ends in 1 equals first base, that ends in 2 equals second base, 3 equals third base, and 4 equals home plate. U is 1 second, C is 2 seconds, L is 3 seconds, and A is 4 seconds. These will be the verbal signs from the coaching staff to the pitchers, catcher, and all infielders that will help us gain an advantage this season.